Hello my billionaire family, welcome back. So are you ready for another one gele? Grab your gele and your mirror, let's tie together. So I'll be using 3 lines of gele to tie this round pleated gele. So this process is very easy guys, but the main thing is you first start creating your pleats, and the ratio for this gele is 70-30, or you can make it 80-20. So I'll start by creating pleats first, like that. I'm creating my pleat. I'm creating like 4 pleats there. Then I will extend the end of the pleat. Make sure your pleating are well laid, like that. So now I'll go back now and turn it and cross it, I mean. So longer hand will be under while shorter hand will be on top, because we are bringing the longer hand back to the front. This is the longer hand, that is the 80 part of the gele that we are bringing back to the front to continue our pleat with. So I'm adjusting it. So the next thing now, I'll bring the hand back like that. Like that. Just look at what I'm doing guys. So look at the way I'll be packing the hand, like that. So I'll be packing the hand from the tip like that. Join it to the other hand. Then tie it. I hope you understand what I'm doing here. Because we want it to be round, that is why I bring it that way. So now I'll first adjust it. Look at the way I'm packing the hand of the gele. So now I want to create like pleats at that front again. So I'm creating pleats. So the next thing, I'll be folding the other hand like that. I like using this process, it's very easy for me. Our gele is almost ready now. Look at that. Our gele is almost set. So I'll be going back to this other side now to adjust the pleats. Look at me sweating. Just take your time when creating the pleats. Don't be in a hurry. If you tie this one to Owambe parties or to church, who will say you have not tied gele? So that is it about the tutorial. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, share my video with your loved ones, and please also follow me on my Instagram page at glambeauty30. So I'll be using office pin to pin the excess hand at the back, just to form the round that I want. Like that. So I'll be doing the same thing the other side. If you notice, this other side is more pleated than this other side. My hand has started aching me. I cannot come and kill myself. So that is it about this tutorial. Bye.